Today we're gonna go through my system of 52 blocks push kick, specifically the front push kick, and how many variations do we have to do it. Let's go. Let's look at the front push kick. Remember, you need to watch all the other videos previously to understand where I'm coming from, but let's do it. Front push kick. One thing that needs to be understood: whatever leg is forward is your front push kick. Okay? So if it's your right hand, this is your front push kick. If it's your left hand, this is your front push kick. Specifically with your front push kick, you want to hit with the ball of your foot. These are your toes. You want to hit with the ball of your foot. With the front push kick specifically, we're going to do rear push kick, and we'll go through all of that. We'll go through side kicks and all of that. But for specifically right now, the front push kick, or better known as the teep, right now we're just doing it with the ball of the foot, just to be specific. So now that we got that, so remember, 52 blocks is not a ring system, is not a sports system, it's for the street. So we're in a regular system. We're in a regular situation, and all of a sudden we need to do the front push kick for whatever reason. It's like a jab. Imagine the jab, but with your foot. So for whatever reason, you need to pull this move out, mainly to probably gauge distance or make distance, right? So you're here in a regular neutral stance. You need to develop a base. So how you develop the base is you take a step off center line. So if you watch all the previous episodes, this is the center line. Look at the shoulder. That's how you create a base. We're looking at that front push kick. So create the base, and you kick in what previously was your center line. So we're only looking at the front push kick. So you're in a situation, you've seen the previous episodes, how you get into a move, all that stuff, you've seen it already. But right now we're looking at the front push kick. So this is the front line, center line. We're going to go 45 degree, develop a base, and then we're going to kick with the ball of our foot in the center line. Boom. That's how it's going to look. Boom. Get offline, kick. Get offline, look at the shoulder, offline, see the center line, kick. Technically speaking, how do we do this move? The first thing you want to do, let's forget about moving off center line. We're just looking at, technically speaking, what do we do? Remember, you hit with the ball of your foot when it's the front push kick, okay? So the first move you're going to do is your heel is going to touch as close up as you can get here. So that's the first move. One. You see, because you can trick opponents. You can be in your stance. That could be your foot fake. That could be your foot fake, right? The first move, your heel touches your thigh. Your knee needs to get at the level of any target you want to hit. If you want to hit the knees, if you want to hit like the solar plex, the stomach, the knee goes a little bit higher. And if you want to hit the head, of course, the knee goes even higher and you kind of lean backwards. So you're going to go lean backwards. We've seen Lyoto Machida, we've seen Anderson Silva do the front push kick to the jaw. That's basically what we're doing. The knee goes to exactly the level you want to hit. So high, mid, low. Low, mid, high. Another good detail to remember is to tuck your knee to your shoulder. So if your heel is going to go back, then your knee needs to touch your shoulder, the same side shoulder. And then from there, push forward like a spear. So it's going to look something like this. You understand where I'm coming from? One, get the knee forward, push like a spear. Hit them. If it's the kneecap, hit the kneecap. You know, if it's the chest and you want to gauge distance, get the heel, get the knee, boom, get that, boom. That's just the front push kick, right? So mechanically speaking, push forward, hurt them, the knee, the body. So remember, when we add the footwork, let's say we want to go for the body, now we understand.